Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. With this beautiful thought, we are doing here our question number 5 of this worksheet 2, chapter 3, and our chapter name is exponents and radicals. So here our question number 5 is simplify and express the answer with positive indices. Here we have to make the negative exponent into the positive exponent. Here the question number 5 have 3 parts. So our first part is 2 multiply by x raised to power 1 by 6 into 2x raised to power minus 7 upon 6. Here our first part is 2x raised to power 1 by 6 multiply by 2x raised to power minus 7 upon 6. I write here answer. Now we can solve this question by writing the constant term with the constant term and these variables with the variables. Here 2 is our constant term, here 2 is our constant term, x is variable, here x is variable. So multiply this 2 multiply this 2. 2 multiply by 2, then multiply this x raised to power 1 upon 6 multiply by this x raised to power minus 7 upon 6 here. So is equal to 2 2s are 4 multiply by x raised to power 1 upon 6. Here we know that a raised to power m multiply by a raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power m plus n. This is the formula. So we apply here. Here base is x, here also base is x, same base. So here the symbol of multiplication changes into this plus x raised to power 1 upon 6, then plus here add the power m plus n, here m is 1 upon 6 and n is equal to minus 7 upon 6. I write 7 upon 6 in bracket here. Now is equal to 4 multiply by x raised to power this 1 upon 6 plus multiply by minus is equal to minus, then 7 upon 6. Now we can take the LCM of this. Here LCM of 6 and 6 same number, same denominator, that is equal to 6. 6 ones are 6 and 1 ones are 1 minus 6 ones are 6 and 1 sevens are 7. So here it becomes 4 multiply by x raised to power 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6 divided by 6 and 6 ones are 6. Here our exponent is minus 1. I write here is equal to 4 multiply by x raised to power minus 1. Now I convert this negative exponent into positive exponent. I write here 4 multiply by, I write x raised to power minus 1 as 1 upon x. By writing this it becomes a positive exponent. Then I write here 4 multiply by 1 upon x, this is equal to 4 ones are 4 and upon x, here 4 is numerator, x is denominator. This is our answer. 4 upon x is our answer of this question. Now move to our next second part. So here our second part is bracket under root, this is the fourth root, then 1 upon x raised to power minus 12, then bracket, and our exponent here is, the whole exponent is minus 2 upon 3. Then I write here answer. Now I can write this as bracket, I write 1 upon x raised to power this minus 12 and I write this fourth root here in upon form, 1 upon 4. Now the whole exponent is our is minus 2 divided by 3. Here now I become it a positive exponent by writing x raised to power 12 then bracket close 1 upon 4 and the whole exponent I write again is minus 2 upon 3. Now I write bracket x raised to power 12 x raised to power 12, this here multiply by 1 upon 4, then outside the bracket minus 2 upon 3. Here 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Here it becomes, now I write it as x raised to power 3 multiply by minus 2 upon 3. This 3 cuts this 3 and we have remaining here x raised to power minus 2. Now we convert this into the positive exponent and I write it as 1 upon x square. 1 upon x square. This is our positive exponent or positive integer. So here we convert the minus 2 into our positive exponent, that is minus 2 changes into 2. Here 2 is our exponent. Here 2 is our exponent. So here 1 upon x square is our answer of this question. Here our third part is a raised to power 4 upon 7 divided by a raised to power 10 upon 7. Here we have same base. A, here base is the exponent is 4 upon 7. Again here base is a 10 upon 7 is our exponent. Here I write our answer and we know that a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n, where a does not equal to 0. So here a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. So I write it as a raised to power 4 upon 7 minus 10 upon 7 here, which is equal to a raised to power 7 in the denominator, both same. 4 minus 10 is equal to minus 6. A raised to power minus 6 upon 7. This is a minus 6 upon 7 here. This is a negative exponent. Now change this one into the positive exponent. So here I write it as 1 upon a raised to power 6 divided by 7, or we can write it as 1 upon this a raised to power 6 and this is our 7th root. This is our 7th root, or this we can write it as this. So this is our answer of this question. Here this is called our radical sign. This is called radical sign and this is the index. Here index is equal to n and n is here is equal to this 7. So this question number 5 had 3 parts. We do all 3 parts in today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and stay connected with us for the next questions. That's all in today's video.